Hi guys, my name is Roland and I head the product team here at BudPay. For us at BudPay, we envision a world where the exchange of value is borderless, and we are on a mission to building solutions that connect people globally through payments and commerce. And over 2 years ago, we took the first step in enacting this vision by leveraging the right payment partners to provide what you now know as the BudPay Business Solution. And what makes BudPay Business Solution pretty much simple or sets us apart from the rest is your exposure as a business to global audiences, providing different payment options to receive payment from customers across the globe. In the last 2 years, we've been very privileged to work with multiple businesses to showcase these payment products. And over the last 2 years, we've gained a lot of experience, some information, and some lessons from customers, which have led to a newer and improved version of the BudPay business, which we're about to tell you today. And I think that what's more important for us at BudPay is the inclusion of different business types, pretty much sourcing for payment products for businesses of different sizes. Talk about individual businesses and sole proprietors. These are businesses that really require only one man for a day-to-day function, to more complex business types like limited entities with more complex ownership and director structures. We've also been able to provide these payment solution for non-governmental organizations and even governmental bodies. I think that BudPay business encompasses every business type, and we've not left anybody out. Today, not only would we be showing you a live demo of the BudPay business products, we would also be taking you through the real life experience of merchants who currently use the BudPay business products. And what better way to start than to walk you through your onboarding journey. Over to my colleague Abiola.
So much, Roland. I'll be taking you through how to sign up on BudPay if you haven't, how to activate your KYC, and how to navigate your dashboard. Let's get right into it. To sign up, visit budpay.com or your app store to download the BudPay business app and click Get Started. Add your email and confirm with the 6-digit OTP. Provide your business name and business address, create your password, and click Finish. Your account will be created once you've successfully provided all the required information. To activate your KYC, log into your account using your email and password. Your account will be in test mode. At the top right, you'll see Start Verification. Please click that button. Provide all the required information to verify your account and click Submit. Your documents will be reviewed and our compliance team will be in touch with you in 24 hours. Now let me walk you through the simple process of navigating your dashboard. Visit budpay.com and log in. Here you'll find key information including your total transaction value, your total transaction volume, and your total settlements. You can modify the date range at the top right of your dashboard. On the left-hand side of the menu, you'll find sections for transactions, payments, customers, events, and settings. At the bottom left of your screen, you'll see your business name and user ID. If you have more than one account, you can switch from that navigation. And still on this navigation, if you want to log out, on the drop-down menu that appears, click on Log Out to confirm your action. This will successfully log you out of the BudPay web app.
Thank you, Abiola. What a seamless way it is to really get on board with the BudPay business product. Abiola has shown us the different ways via the web and the mobile that you can get on board the BudPay business product. And it shows our commitment to making the experience very seamless for you to get on board. When you're on board, what next? You have access to all the suites of products on the BudPay business, which I will be taking you through. First of which is the invoicing. I think that we've done an amazing work right from where we're coming, from the first version of the BudPay business product to where we are today, to accommodate for small and micro businesses. And one of the requirements for micro businesses is pretty much how to receive payments. And with the BudPay business invoice, we think that we have solved a huge problem. Some of the problems that are associated with invoicing today, with traditional invoicing platforms, would include, the how, the where, the when, where do I receive payments to, do I need to include my account number? for my customers to pay me. And then when I pay, how do I know that the invoice has been paid, and how do I know the status of that invoice? All of these questions have been answered with the BudPay Business Invoice. With the BudPay Business Invoice, we leverage on the information you provided to us at KYC, give you the opportunity to put the details of the invoice, including the goods and the cost, the quantity of, and whatever information it is that you have on those goods, and pretty much generate an invoice which your customers receive via email. Now, how about the how? How do they pay me? They've just received an email. Embedded in the email that your customers receive is our payment links, which allows the customers click and make payments. Now, all of the payment options available on our BudPay checkout immediately becomes available to your customers, giving them a variety of options to pay you. And once that invoice has been paid, you receive an instant notification of the transaction, and your accounts are credited for the amount placed on the invoices. Pretty simple if you ask me. And that's how we've done an amazing job, to cater for SMEs and micro businesses to receive payments with the BudPay invoice.
Hello, I'm Daniel Lawani, the lead photographer at Daniel Lawani Studios. My journey started around 2015. I remember I was trying to pick up a device, my phone at the time, from the couch, and I mistakenly took a particular picture, and that was interesting to me, and I was trying to see how I can replicate more of those images, with people, because at the time it was just a smaller phone. So I was trying to recreate that with flowers, plants, and then even people. In the course of doing that, I realized that this was a passion that had started in my heart, and I wanted to go harder than ever before, with that career path. And upon research, I found out that, it was indeed a career path. But at the time, my parents also wanted me to study, the regular go to uni and all of that. And I ended up going to school to study software engineering, and I finished around 2018. Now, from 2018, I decided to focus, go pro on my career. And it's been bliss ever since then. I have worked with a number of people. I've worked with a number of influential people as well. I've worked with leaders of industries, and that has propelled my career to greater heights and newer levels. A friend of mine told me about BudPay, decided to check out the platform, and two key features that stood out to me were the invoicing and the payment links. BudPay has helped with structure in terms of payment, and this has afforded me the luxury to focus on my core, which is creating. If you're a photographer or a creative watching this, visit budpay.com to get on board.
At BudPay, we pride ourselves on not just making payments for you or helping you make payments or being the payment rails just for you. We pride ourselves on being an infrastructure, and what this means is you can leverage on our solution to extend the payment service to other people. And that's what we've done with the bills payments on the BudPay business platform. While you are able to make payments for different bill services, buy airtime, buy data, beyond that, we've also provided an infrastructure for businesses to plug in and extend that value to as many customers as possible. It's a common problem for businesses, right? Integrating different payment platforms. Sometimes it compromises the integrity of their operations. One of the ways that we've been able to solve for this, because we understand, right, it can be difficult sifting through different payment platforms and having to manage staff's access to different information, which is vital to business operations. And that's why we've come up with the Teams and Collaborations module on the BudPay business product. The Teams and Collaborations module allows you to invite relevant stakeholders to your business, to the BudPay business product, allowing them to carry out their business functions as it helps your business, right? I'm sure you're also wondering, what kind of access do these people have, right? The BudPay business product is also very robust to allow you identify the different roles and assign relevant permissions to them. So for people who need to view transaction details, they're able to do that. For staff who need to initiate refunds, they're also able to do that. For staff who also need to dispute certain transactions, they're also able to do that. So again, we've put it together your business operations, consider that, and build the teams and collaborations to further help you integrate the BudPay business products seamlessly into your business operations. I've spoken to some of the initiatives directed at small and micro businesses, but in our inclusive nature at BudPay, we've not left anybody out. We've also thought about the enterprise businesses. Some of the businesses that have chosen us today are very conversant with our well-detailed APIs and the documentation that allows you to integrate those APIs seamlessly. Even better, we are adding more SDKs to allow businesses accept payments via their mobile application. We think that this, added to our already existing robust APIs, gives businesses more options to accept payments. All of the multiple payment options I've spoken to you about today can be experienced robustly on our BudPay checkout. So for enterprise merchants who have integrated our APIs, the ultimate experience for the customers lies in the BudPay checkout, which we have worked so hard to revamp. And even better, we've created an easy way for small businesses to also generate a link to accept payments via the BudPay checkout. My colleague Adebimpe will be telling you more about the BudPay business payment links. Over to you, Adebimpe.
Thank you, Roland. Hello, everyone. My name is Adebimpe Wakwe, and I head the Customer Success Department here at BudPay. Today, I'm excited to be talking to you about our latest updates from BudPay. In version 1.0, you were able to generate unique payment links and share with your customers. You could share this link anyhow you wanted to share it, via emails, SMS, social media, however you wanted it. And your customers are able to, use the payment link and make payments seamlessly without any hassles. However, in version 2.0, we've taken it a step further by accepting payments in different currencies. So right now we have the GBP, we have the USD, we have the Euro, and of course we have the Naira. We've also enhanced the security feature to protect your transactions at all times. So you don't have to worry about your transactions getting lost in transit or bother your head about something happening to your transactions. Be sure that with our unique payment links, your transactions are going to get to you as seamless and as fast as possible. In addition, we've enhanced and made the user interface more friendly. So your customers just pick up your unique payment links, go to the website and make payments easily. Next, let's talk about our settlement process. Version 1 ensured that your funds were settled into your account promptly and securely with flexible options tailored to your business. This way, you are able to focus on your business and grow your business and not bother your head about delays in receiving your payments from your customers. We've also introduced an advanced reporting tool, which gives you insight into your daily transactions and your settlements. This means you're able to better manage your cash flow and your financial planning. We are happy to announce that we have our in-store payment option. All you need to do is request for our decals, put them in strategic positions in your store, and have your customers scan the QR code to make payments. Once they scan the code, they are redirected to the link where payments are made. My colleague Abiola is with one of our enterprise merchants who specifically signed up for this purpose. Over to you, Abiola.
Thank you so much, Adebimpe. I'll hand over to Mary Jane, who's our account manager for 4 Points by Sheraton, Victoria Island, Lagos. Over to you, Mary Jane.
Thank you so much, Abiola. My name is Mary Jane. I'm a great lead and account manager at BudPay for 4 Points by Sheraton, Victoria Island, Lagos, Nigeria. One of our payment methods that we offer in this great establishment is the BudPay Scan to Pay. You heard me right. As a guest of 4 Points, you could make your payments from any part of the world without being here at the premises. All you need to do is scan the QR code, insert your details, and your payment goes through in milliseconds. Yes, you heard me right. Millisecond. The next time you're at 4 Points by Sheraton, Lagos, Nigeria, don't hesitate to make your payments using the BudPay Scan to Pay payment method. Remember, we are the best at what we do, and you can make your payments at any of their facilities within this premises here in Victoria Island, Lagos. Thank you for always choosing BudPay.
Hi, my name is Oladipupo. I work in the finance department here at 4 Points by Sheraton, Victoria Island, Lagos, Nigeria. 4 Points by Sheraton is a premium hotel known for our hospitality prowess. We are a Marriott brand offering you top-notch services. Our facility boasts of spaces like the Brasserie, a luxury restaurant, the Palm Terrace, an open bar where you enjoy live band, all genres of music, and live matches, the hotel cafe, the gym, event halls for your corporate events, birthdays, weddings, etc. And the Think Space, which is our co-working space for businesses and individuals. We had a payment need which birthed our partnership with BudPay. At this point, I would like to give a shout out to Mary Jane, our account manager at BudPay, who has ensured a seamless process.
If you are yet to sign up, please visit budpay.com to get on board. You can also follow us on all our social media platforms at BudPay. We run a 24/7 customer support system. If you need any additional information, kindly send an email to hi@budpay.com. Thank you so much for watching.